All right. We have Jacobs is coming on Wednesday now at 10:40, so they're going to be here tomorrow at 10:40. And Acqueon now is going to be here Thursday at 2 o'clock, so we can make sure everything's straightened up and cleaned up. All right. We have all right, so a lot of people have seen the presses over between 49, 40, all the way to 63. If you get a chance, you can see some of the pictures that we took before pictures and how what kind of mess it was before we started the 5S. And then as you can see, just from the pictures alone, you can see a big difference on what it is. But actually, if you walk over there, you'll get a better idea. Just walk behind, actually press 60, and you'll get a better idea about all of it. So it's a lot more organized and everything. So it saved a lot of time in looking things. The one thing that I say we in the 5S, I'm not part of the we. They did it all. And if you look at it, they had 155 ideas on how to improve 9 presses. Okay? Out of 155, they implemented 62 of them, done in 3 days. Okay? And then we still have 1 month to complete the rest of the project list. Now, when we went through the project list, there's things with different skill levels. So that's why if you look up here, in the front office, in the hallway, there's a list of the stuff that's on there. And there's a lot of people that work in the 5S and things that are on there because there's different levels of what we need it done, okay? So if we look at it, we're probably about 30, I think it's like 30-something people, different names of things that need to be done over the next month, okay? It's as simple as, changing out, I think there's stuff that we were just going to put the air hose on it. Trent did that on 77, so he said, well, I can't Trent do that and set it up so we can do one on 49 and test it out, okay? So we went through the list and said, these are the people with the skill sets that we need, okay? So if you have questions about what's on the list, just come see me or someone in the 5S who can explain what that was, okay? So obviously we can get that rest of that done before the next 5S event, okay? So I definitely want to recognize Tom, Pam, Nick, Jessica, Ann, Ted, Ramiro, Jose, Z, and Margarita. So, and Miguel, whose picture's not up there. So let's give all big hand. They did an excellent job. And again, I can't thank you enough. I had a great time and it was a lot of fun. You guys did a phenomenal job. Usually it takes about an hour to do all the suggestions. It went before lunch, through lunch, after lunch, because they kept coming up with better ideas and better ideas. I mean, it was great. There's a lot of good things. Marissa was asking, we don't know, somebody filled this out with a bunch of stuff, and we don't know what they want, there's no name on it, so you just let me know. If you want this printed out, if you want this so we can put it up somewhere, about talking about doing the right thing and stuff, just let me know what the idea behind it was so I can take care of it. So we'll work on it. Okay?